Hello world, this is JWP, J-Board Primo Beats, coming to you live from my bedroom. For around 20 years I've been mixing and mastering music, rapping, songwriting, along with everything else that goes with music production, such as graphic design and editing, photo editing, video editing, and for around 15 years I've been using SynthEdit to make my own audio plugins. Check out my website jwpsite.com for my social links, latest news and updates, and public offerings. If you'd like to help support what I do, check out my GoFundMe, JWP Fund, or my PayPal, jwpmas@gmail.com. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever makes you click, I appreciate it. So I'll be continuing along doing some more audio plugin promotion stuff. Once last I left off, I had finished up Polysynth 1 description. Okay, so I want to get that in. And one of the things that I was forgot about was common features. So perhaps I can get these in like this. Maybe I'll just do them in a comma separated list. I don't even know where that is. Here. Features, common features. Then go like this. Okay, so what kind of right, don't I have a thing for this? I can do, what is it, Control L or something? Control F3? Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then because I could make them title. Is it anything else title case? No, eh? Okay, so you, and of course it's going to put a full stop on the end of it. A lot of common features. Maybe it should be sort of a list, right? But I don't want it to be like all tall. Take up half the screen. Okay, so try that out. This is the whole thing here, I think. I don't even think I got it in, right? Website description. Okay. Then I want to head over to KVR. And I guess the website too, right? So I think that's where I left off, was the website. Yeah, because I was capitalizing or boldifying some stuff. Boldifying, is that a word? Okay, so I'll get into it. I'm going to take a look at them though. I don't like how long it takes for the site to load, but I don't like how long it takes for the site to load. However, how long it would take to switch out images is just terribly inconvenient and error prone. So, yeah. I'm not going to be switching anything. So this didn't get done? Oh, it's the same thing, right? Needs to be... Yeah. Okay, so this is done. I require KVR dashboard here. However, I actually have to add these common features, right? I'll just stick them in, it's fine. Something like this. Of course it did. Took it over there. And I want... Why does it change formatting? I don't know. Okay. This is subheading, bold. That's a lot of blah, blah, blah. Like, imagine how tall that would be as a list. What does this appear? Let's see how that looks. BRB though. Okay. And where did I leave off here? Oh, this big ugly list, right? Can I view this? How bad does it look? Maybe I should put like bullets. Still like a cluttered list like that, but instead of what are these? But instead of like commas, these bullets. Yeah, that's awful. I don't know what to do there. I mean, if I leave it in line, it's all going to be one big long thing, right? Just ignore it? But this is sort of like the feature page, right? So bullets, inline bullets, well, they're squares, I guess. Can I do inline square bullets? I don't think it'll let me. It's not a thing, like I can't grab this square. What's this? Let's try bullets. No. Of course, I got all the emojis, but not what I'm looking for. Yeah, there's a bunch of weird emojis and stuff. Okay, so what do I do? Because I'd like for that stuff to be displayed. It's sort of like the drums, right? They have comprehensive sound palette. You just put like common features and then that big long list. So something more like, say normal text, I guess. This is all normal text, right? And then cut that, drop it there, like that, like that, like this, and like that. Look at the mon. How bad is the drums for that? About 16 entries. Okay, just looking at this list here, what can I take out? Dedicated filter envelope, and envelope. And these first couple here. What's selectable? What's wrong with selectable? Why doesn't Google like able stuff? And this is caps. Otherwise, LOR. Otherwise, KVR will get mad. Toggleability. Toggleability. Optional pulse vertical balance. So should I get rid of toggleable for optional? What's sort of a What's the thesaurus? What's the word for that? Toggleable. Synonym? Switchable? Toggleable? Dial switch? Switchable? Adjustable? Optional? I like toggleable though. Such a big word though. Maybe just put options and then all the things under options. Low pass filter. Okay, so common options. Just say options. Get rid of these buffer words. From polyphonic or monophonic. Allophone. Okay, so this is sentence case. Or monophonic LFO. Options. Let's say LFO options. Polyphonic, monophonic, syncable, phase start offsets, free running, pulse vertical balance. This is a global option. Toggleable key tracking. Just the options. More options. Global options on pulse vertical balance for all waveforms. I don't know what this word is for all waveforms. For all operators? For all generators? Should be a whole like section options. This is subheading bold. It's gonna be LFO. Offsets, toggleable key tracking. Exponential key tracking. Okay, so how does that look now? Probably just as awful. Offset, offset. And the free running. Polyphonic or monophonic. Say trigger sync. Or free running monophonic. Well, polyphonic's free running too. Can be, isn't it? I think the polyphonic is, but it's kind of like, yeah. Because monophonic's triggerable too, right? I don't think it is though. Polyphonic, let's see, trigger. Trigger sync for polyphonic mode. Or free running monophonic. Phase start offsets. And phase start offset. Pulse vertical balance. For all generators. Pulse waveform. Waveform vertical balance for all generators to keep the signal symmetrical and to avoid creating DC off fest. This is capital. Pulse waveform vertical balance for all generators to keep the signal symmetrical and avoid for all generators, keeping the signal symmetrical to avoid creating DC offsets. Key tracking. What? This? Exponential key tracking. To retain original algorithm. And of course, these are all going to have periods at the end. Do they all have periods already? They do, I think, yeah. Okay. And that's just a result of KVR doing its awful grammar bit. Which means I gotta do it too. Okay. Even though they're point form like this, with like one thing. So maybe common options? Some common options? Say version 1 features. default trigger, sync for polyphonic mode or free running monophonic, and phase start offset. Pulse waveform vertical balance for all generators, keeping the signal symmetrical to avoid creating DC offsets. Key tracking, exponential key tracking to retrain the original algorithm. Okay. I'm gonna get a bunch of space here. So then this all goes into KVR then. I'll put that also in here, right? This is version 1. Let's go like this, I think, right? Of course, but it needs some line breaks. Take this over. Thought it was already in here. Guess not. Jump into this. Okay, and then that's already part 1, so I'll go like that. Maybe I'll build it underneath so I can copy the stuff up here. What is this? Heading 3. Let's go heading 3. Features, version 1 features, heading 3. Common options. And that's it. Get rid of these extra line breaks. Thought there was a line break there. I guess there's not. Is there like a editing thing? How does this look? Yeah, okay, so there is a big space there. Alright. Let's see. Two oscillators, but that's fine. Whatever, it's already too late to be buggering around. Now, these actually all have to be a list, right? Let's do that. This. That. Oscillator sync. Focus. Common options, and this is another list. Like that. Get rid of all of this. Let's take a look at the preview here. So that didn't let you just preview from here. There's no image? Thought I loaded an image. Let's put the pulse width modulation controls. Okay, so this isn't part of the list here. Get back into the editor. Let's get that out of the list to start with. was the other thing? Oh, this pulse width modulation controls. Should I do PWM? Yeah, let's do PWM controls. Controls. And then I'll change that over here. And then on the website. Controls independently adjustable pulse widths on both oscillators to enrich tones with abrasive elements. Okay. Flexible routing that doubles the LFO's potential, allowing intricate modulation streams. Oscillator syncs also B for Jacob brittle sounds, tremolo effect throughout the LFO to amplitude to achieve expressive tremolo effects. Common options. LFO trigger sync for polyphonic mode or free running monophonic, and phase start offsets. Pulse width vertical balance for all generators, keeping the signal symmetrical to avoid creating DC offsets. Key tracking, exponential key tracking setting to retain original algorithm. Okay. I'll turn this on like right now. I'm not sure it's gonna stick around, but yeah. Okay, so that looks done. Just so much to do. In fact, I gotta take a break. So that's in, that's done. It's both on the website and I just gotta publish. Did I publish already? A little PWM change. Looks good. I don't like the whole LFO thing though. Is there like a sub list? Can you do that? Like you can do it with other things, right? Can you? It's like a promotion again kind of thing. I mean, it's gonna make it long, but and then yeah, I can. Okay. Yeah, it looks weird, right? Can I take this out of the list? Because it looks like this. Is that easier to understand? Would it be easier if this was not a list? I just feel like it's weird. Whatever, it's done. That's fine. So it's going. Let's drop it. I don't know if it's gonna. Yeah, it just lets me. Okay. Then breakdown. I just realized I normally stop doing stuff at lunch. However, I'll probably do an extra hour even after lunch. My food's cooking now, so. But getting into it here, I need the second one, so I'm gonna need the assistant for that. My peek through is too transparent. Can barely see what's going on in the thing. And then I gotta turn them off and back on. Okay. And still barely see, but it's exactly what I need-ish. Get that up whilst I talk to the assistant here. And as I said, I don't show off the assistant because it's just unglorified here for me to ask for help. It's a synth tags? Okay, so I asked the exact same thing, but this time, that's a lot of stuff. And of course it's gotten smarter now, so it might give me a different answer than it did last time. I mean, I can show the prompt, I guess, right? So this is listen to 2, right? And then how does this go? Key features, key features, common features, prompt 1. So features, key features, prompt 1. How does this look over here? Prompt on case it's big. Text block. 2 LFOs, overdrive. Is this actually? It is, eh? Okay, but there's a big block there. And what is this? Result. Yeah, so that bit's not even in there. That's just sort of the point form features again, right? Okay, so I'll just pull this from here to there. Dump that. And what I'll do too is I'll just push this forward so it's kind of like that. What happened? Oh. Okay, so give me your best tags. Polyphonic. I gotta start with the tags. To oscillator designed with highlighted features of controls. So this is wrong. 2 LFOs. The features of 2 LFOs. And what else? Overdrive distortion. Overdrive distortion. And note-based tuning for second oscillator. Note-based tuning for second oscillator. I should be using the what you call it, video script bit. And I forgot to set my timer, but so let's say about 10 minutes. I notice there's a lot of breathing on my stream. Like, you could always hear me breathing a lot. And there's not much I can do about it. I have like a breath reducer, but it's still... Okay, anyway. Sync LFO 2 to 1. And then finally... the ability to sync LFO 2 to 1. LFO features like trigger synth, so this is all the same stuff. Standard features such as low pass, resonance, toggle, replicate. This isn't replicating from older SynthEdits from the original algorithm. Didn't even notice I put that in there. A function to provide pulse balance, dedicated filter, and built-in SynthEdit base and prefab that came with SynthEdit 1. That comes with SynthEdit based on the prefab. It comes with SynthEdit. Explain a bit why the best tags. Use KVR. Okay. And then I want to use sort of the fluff from the video stuff, right? To include. I think there's actually a piece missing, right? Because there's 4 functions and I only have 3 entries. But I mean, I got lots of fluff I can work with. Let me put them... Where's the last one here? It's such a big block of text. Traverse an extra dimension. 2 LFOs for an extra dimension of modulation. I don't know. I'll just let it tweak, I guess. Why isn't it deleting? There it goes. Okay. So this is everything I throw into the machine, and then I gotta sort of follow along with what I've been doing previously. So copy and then switch this. Where's my... What is it doing? No, don't undo that. I'm trying to switch scenes here. There. Then I get into it. I set a new one. Say, actually, I'm going to rename the old one first. This is Polysynth 1. 1 tags and description. Then set a new one, dump that in. And in fact, reason search. What else does it have? Okay, search, and then... Yeah, I'm actually going to take a short BRB to go check my timing. Whilst this does its thing. Okay. Right then. So... That sounds kind of funny. Result. Tool oscillator, tool. Okay, so these are tags I probably won't use. I'm just sort of going through the steps here. And then I want to continue the conversation. Update the tags to include my brand specific tag JWP. Deployment series, homage line, look at other related product page, rewrite the description to look and feel more like a KVR product description instead of 3 paragraphs of text. Presented as markdown instead of HTML. Okay, so copy that. I don't know if it needs to search. That was never a thing before, so I'll just turn that off, I guess. Huh? Oh, it needs to search, look at other things on KVR, right? It's doing its thing. Versatility and precision again. Since I was intuitive interface, seamless sound design. Whether you're crafting plush pads, sharp leads, or complex textures, how does it always look? How does it always know about that? Did I tell it that? I didn't. So it's just a common thing that it reaches for. Okay, so I'm gonna grab continued conversation because I know this conversation went on for a while, or goes on for a while, for me to refine it. Okay, so it's a bit better. The synthesizer offers an intuitive interface for seamless sound creation. Okay. And the conversation continues. I think it's like 5 steps before I boil it down to something really good. Introduction as an overview. Features, bullet points, advanced. Okay, so now I'm just kind of refining it manually. Yeah, so I just kind of, at that point I'm just nitpicking at it, so I can do the nitpicking myself. Right then, introducing... I'm just looking for crafted for versatility and design. I'm actually gonna continue the conversation from what I had, because of course it's not doing the overview bits. Let's rewrite the introduction as an overview, adding the headings features. The bullet points, remove the bullet point. Dual oscillators. Dual oscillators. And advanced LFOs. And the last 5. Remove and then I'll say write a better introduction What's my Polysynth 2 introduction say? Let's see. Synth 1 rather. Introduction says do also crafted with precision and versatility. Write a better introduction. Exclude the built with SynthEdit in the outro and keep the synthesizer, however, make it more of a call to action. Write the introduction as an overview. Add the headings, features to the bullet points. Remove the bullet points, dual oscillators, and advanced LFOs. Write a better introduction. Exclude the build with synthesizer and keep this more to call to action. I'll say it's version. Did I say its name? It's version 1. Its description is as follows. This is version 2. Be sure not to reuse marketing fluff. Back in then, okay, so the assistant came back with design for versatility and sound creation. It just totally chopped out all the other stuff. Isn't that what the other one says though? It's designed for versatile sound creation? Versatility and precision? What is this one saying? Precision and versatility. Oh. Sure, signal symmetry and reduce DC offsets. Okay, so none of this is really... I just needed an intro and an outro, and it gave me none of that. Because I already have the fluff. I got the outro. It's not even a call to action. I asked for a call to action. Rewrite the overview say search similar KBR listings and write better introduction. Keep bring back because it totally intuitive interface for seamless sound creation. Seamless, okay. The outro, but add a call to action. Look at my other listings under the JWP Homage line products and write something consistent with them drawing inspiration from other listings to make the intro and call to action more elaborate. Right? Okay. So let that run. Hopefully it does a better job. Filter, low pass filter. Experience the intuitive interface of the JWP Homage line Synth 2 and elevate your sound design to new heights. Explore its capabilities today to transform your musical creations. That's way better. Alternate features. Okay, I'm done. I don't have time to be fluffing up something so simple. On to final. What do I have here? Website description? Is that even a thing on here? It is. Okay, but it's nothing there. Okay, so enter overview. And then I'm not going to use those. I'll bring them in. JWP Homage line. Just say demote that bit. I have a bracket I don't need. Code is adding code stuff. The JWP Homage line is a polyphonic synthesized to provide musicians and producers a versatile tool for creating a wide range of sounds built upon the foundations of its predecessor. Since there's this alternate features, and functionality to meet the demands of modern music production. How does the other one go? That's a lot of fluff there. Overview. Crafted with precision and versatility in mind. It's just so simple. So what do I got here? Is a what? Dual oscillator, subtractive synthesizer crafted with precision and versatility in mind. It's a polyphonic. It's a versatile tool. Built versatile for crafting a wide range of sounds. Built upon the foundations of its predecessor. It's the synthesizer introduces alternate features and functionality to meet the demands of modern music producer. What else did it have though here? Quieting versatility with a versatile tool for crafting a wide range of sounds. Okay, yeah, so let's just drop everything beyond that. Experience the intuitive interface. What else do I have here? Whether you're crafting, bring your song ideas to life. Okay. The intuitive interface to elevate your sound design to new heights. Explore its capabilities today and transform your musical creations. Maybe just explore its musical capabilities. Explore its capabilities today. Whatever. Let's keep all the fluff. However, these bits here, integrated and destroyed, and harmonic richness, low pass filter with resonance control, filter section. Why is there? I don't want filter section. Why is that a key? Was that what it was saying? I need to switch back to it here, because I thought I said always talking about the filter. Yeah, it's kind of always talking about the filter. Advanced LFOs. 2 LFOs with synchronization options. Multiple. Starting phase, free run mode, and polyphonic or monophonic operation. 2 oscillators. Pulse width modulation. Ensure signal symmetry. That's not even the right thing in search signals. Reduces it. Totally removes DC offset, not reduces. Envelope, yeah, okay, so I'm not going to be using any of that. I was just looking. There's like nothing there. The only one that actually fits the bill is Overdrive, add harmonic richness. However, my version is different. So I'm going to use the, what do I got here? Give your sound, signature edge, traverse extra dimension of modulation. Overdrive distortion. Pulse, when that's not even the right bits. How many different things? What's missing here? The two off LFOs? Sync LFO 2 to 1. Wasn't there something about rhythmic? Blah, blah, blah. 2 LFOs. Okay, so. Oh, I didn't even keep the response. So I'll get the response in there. Type description. Okay, like this. To the foes. How does things look here? Sync oscillator, flexible routing. LFO, okay. How can I write this properly now? Let's say 2 LFOs. Okay, what kind of statements are these? They're like verbs, right? Route, sync, flexible routing, allowing, intricate, independently adjustable to enrich. Okay, so they're kind of statements. There's a couple verbs and a couple statements. Traverse, 2 LFOs. Say an extra dimension. For an extra dimension of modulation. Just an extra dimension. It's like a description, right? I don't need independently flexible routing. Extra dimension of modulation. Yeah, they're statements, not descriptions. For an extra dimension would be a description, right? Whereas an extra dimension of modulation is statement. 2 LFOs is the description. Another statement. Okay, so description statement. Give your sound a signature edge with overdrive distortion. Giving your okay. Overdrive distortion here, boom boom. Can you not stand out? Drive your sounds. So that's a verb. Sound. Okay, what does one say? One is say. What does the other one say? Do they have verbs? Separate, adjust. Yeah, they do. Fine tune. Yeah, integrated. Integrate keyboard tracking. Integrate keyboard tracking. Integrated keyboard tracking to modulate the frequency based on pitch. So what is that? That's a verb. Separate ADS, or that's a statement. Adjust is a verb. Fine tune the depth. It's a verb. Okay, so I have some inconsistencies here. Delivers the deeps, that's a statement. A snappy snare, that's a statement. Includes is a statement. So these are all statements. Secondary sweep, volume. Should they all just be statements then? At the heart is the feed distortion, allowing you to craft distinct case elements and offering this control. The PD includes an envelope, add depth. Okay, so that's a verb, so it's inconsistent. So I guess I just have to be consistently inconsistent. Okay. Drive your sound for that signature edge to make it stand out. Expand the tone. No bass tuning. Are these title case? They are, right? Yeah. Okay, no bass tuning. Expand the tone. Expanding the tone. Giving you freedom to harmonize. And what else do I got again? There's one more, right? I think. It's all mashed together in the markup. Markdown. This works. What's the other one? Sync LFO 2 to 1. And then there's some like for rhythmic hibbity hoobla, right? And it just didn't fit in the video because it was too much. Draft, intro, two LFOs, overdrive, no bass tuning. Take advantage of sync LFO. You can sync LFO for even more complex rhythm. Syncing LFO allows for dynamic interplay of rhythmic modulation, breathing life into your patches. Imagine the intricate textures you can unlock by manipulating the native LFOs, enhancing your sound projects, and pushing creative boundaries. Oh man, these things. Imagine adding depth and movement to your compositions by syncing LFO 2 to 1, creating complex rhythm and evolving textures that breathe life into your music. That's crazy. Syncing LFO 2 to 1 allows for dynamic interplay of rhythmic. Allowing for dynamic interplay of rhythmic modulation. That sounds good. Let's go with that. I don't need that breathing life into your patches. That's super fluff. It's kind of good though with it. Well, it got creative edge there. So LFO 2 to 1, allowing for a dynamic interplay of rhythmic modulation. That's fine. That's good. 2 LFOs. Extra adds. For an extra dimension. Dimension of modulation. Drive your sound. Expand. Okay, so I've pretty much done it. I want to see it because I feel like it's done, but I want to see it in application here. I also need the common features too, right? I guess it's fine right here for now. And of course it does that. I'll drop the styling. This is subheading bold. Features. This is subheading bolds. Close that. Close that. And then from here to there. Bold that. From here to there. Bold that. From here to there. Bold that. And again. Grab this bit. Common options. Say part 1 features, version 2 features. JWP Homage Line Polysynth 2 is built upon the foundation of its predecessor. The synthesizer introduces alternate features and functionality to meet the demands of modern music production. Version 2 features 2 LFOs for an extra dimension modulation, overdrive distortion, drive your sound for that signature edge to make it stand out, note-based tuning, expanding the tone, giving you the freedom to harmonize, sync LFO 2 to 1, allowing for dynamic interplay of rhythmic modulation, common options, LFO, trigger synth. Okay. Experience the intuitive interface of the JWP Homage Line Polysynth 2 and elevate your sound to new heights, the Oxford comma. Explore its capabilities today and transform your musical creations. What's the call to action here? Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So that's good. I like that. And all the bolding is there. Looks like I have an extra line break. Then go ahead and publish. And I'll reload this bit. And just push. And then this is... Where did my KVR go? I've kind of lost my, well, not lost, but still need a couple final touches. What else is on this list here? Let me throw this up whilst I load my list, and then I'll log into the dev. I gotta copy Polysynth 1. Ugh. Okay, so plugin promo. I'll switch back to this screen, and then not live, jump on that. I don't know why it only shows PD Homage 3 to 303. Okay, and then you duplicate this, right? So tools, clone this product. I also forgot the image for Polysynth 1 here. Okay, so Polysynth 2. And then I'll just totally overwrite it all of it, including the video, except for this. It is part of Homage Line, right? Okay, boom. And then I want to go grab this video right now. That, and then what else we got? And close this, done with that. Oh, actually, I need that, right? And it's hibbity hoobla. It didn't even really give me what I wanted for the most part. Yeah, it didn't even really give me... Well, I guess the last bit is kind of what I was hoping for, so I'll just take that last bit. Because I just kind of regurgitated things over and kind of the same stuff that was already been said before, so I don't know how it did that. It's probably because I followed the sort of same pathology, right? Okay, so prompt 1, and then results here. I'll put that there. Also need to promote that, promote this, and promote that, and then that's the overview. Overview also. Okay. So the results were kind of lackluster, so to speak. So So I'll save that. Does this one need some saving? It does. Okay, and then I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be looking at now. I didn't grab this video, which has been sitting here so long. Okay, and then this goes to the end here. Okay, and then this is heading 3, right? 2 features, is that an underscore? Or is that just like this? I think it's just like that, right? Heading 2 or 3, what is it? 3? Pretty sure it's 3, right? Options, do some bolding. Actually, yeah, it's fine. I'm already there, so I might as well do the bolding. Turn this into a list. This is missing its thing. What? Caps locked. Okay, and then grab that already. This needs to be updated because it doesn't say that. Did it not save? Didn't publish it. And forward drive allow. Allowing for it. Okay. It's kind of just a bogus feature, I think. Part 4. That's the difference. Phase starts. Okay, so these are all also lists. I might as well publish this now. That's one small update. Built upon the foundation of its predecessor, the synthesizer introduces alternate features and functionalities to meet this dual oscillator subtractive synthesizer. Because it's supposed to be descriptive, right? Everything's supposed to be descriptive. That's just two oscillator subtractive synthesizer. Publish. Oh yeah, I was gonna go look at the other one. Well, I can do some other stuff here. This is supposed to say its name, right? Which is... Why is it free? What happened to my tags? Okay, so let's drop this. Same, that's fine. Related products. Made with important notes. Does it have the open? Why is it so much different? What happened to all my stuff that I put in here? This is XML. Presets. XML bank. What was the other one? XML preset, XML bank, VST presets. Okay. I think it copied from like FM. A bad clone. Okay, images. I can't remember which the most highest subtractive synthesizer thing is. Okay, later! Analog subtractive? It's already getting late, so maybe I'll skip e-learning again today, just to get this out again. I have a project to do. Okay, so I want to search this. Not found. Not found, you say? Okay, so give me products. I can remember how to search for tags. This. Alright, and then the tags pop up here. You feel like searching today? No? Not today? Okay, so kind of, I guess. Here we go. So that is apparently the most, the one with the most. And then secondary is this, because they're in order, right? Where's my other stack here? These ones. Synth, yeah, synth is the most. Some synth subtractive. Does it have? Look at that. Page 1 of 2, 1 of 36, yeah. Crazy. Synth subtractive, now that they're in there, it's showing up here. Freemium. I don't know what, oh, because that's from their website. Okay. Free. Freemium, $15 CAD. Okay. So then, that's right. So that's what I want for the top one. Is this? For both of those, right? Is it just... No, don't... Oh. It's a good thing that it's just a... What do you call it? So I don't know if I made edits and it didn't save or what. Why is this that? I must have grabbed the wrong one. Okay. Done with those. Yeah, so it's adding some tags already here. It's adding its own name at least. Then I gotta switch this out. This is number 2. And then I'm gonna add all these tags. Okay. So it's all the same tags, all of them except for Homage and polysynth 1 that can go once it's in. Okay, so it is, and then like that, and what don't I need? JWP as well. Okay, so that's already out, right? And then I also don't need this one. Or this one. Fix that up. Good. It's powered by demo bit. So I think it's pretty much done, eh? They're almost ready to go live. Synth 2. Okay, so updates. product page, I guess. Yeah, let's go to the product page. But I want to stay in here, so back here. And then is there really only one picture for all of them? Is there not even a picture for this? Why? There's no video? Is that why it's not showing the thing? Okay, so I don't know why there's no video for that. I'll fix that right quick. PD303. That should get me the video, hopefully. New, it's a devlog? Yeah, it's a devlog. Okay, so maybe I need the thing in the middle. What? Where's my promo? I'll just have to go to the playlist, I guess. Maybe it's just one word. I'm surprised the search doesn't find it, though. Doesn't have to. Yeah, there we go. Background changes, checks, what? Why is this? Whatever. No, here it is. So why isn't this here? Not sure what happened there. Everything's been updated, right? And it has the new tags. Yes, okay. Update. You can just switch products directly from that page. Okay, yeah, so everything just kind of has one picture. Then I want to go to the news bit here. And add the products. Okay, so now, yeah, so it's just one image, and then there's the video. Let's go related. I just want to look at them all, make sure they all have their videos. Yeah, no, they look like they all have their videos. And then this needs the more products, related products. Polysynth 2 now. Okay, and then this is 4 or about? About, right? Can I? About 4 for the Homage line, about. Okay, so and then what does it say about this bolding your product name or something? How does the other things look? Those releases. Done here? Am I done here? I think so. Okay, and then how do I get here? Okay, and then I'm gonna see my newses. My noses. And then go Z. Z them all. No? Oh, there you go. Okay. Then what am I looking for again? I think I'm just looking for oh, the entry, this top bit here. Series Homage line. Okay, so that links back to the website. They all link different places. Okay, so what does it say about what I'm supposed to be putting there? This is the item's ready to publish. Blog items are more controversial and can be the voice of the developer. They do not appear in the KVR feed. They do appear in the flow. Okay. But what about... What's this? This? No. This is a... Isn't there like a guidelines? Here we go. General guidelines. Proofread, spell check, grammar check. Proofread, spell check, grammar checks. Proofreading. Okay. US and UK spelling. If you can't be bothered to do this, we may disable or restrict your access. Modern web browsers have built in. If your English isn't your native, please use ingrown spell check. Sentences must start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Acronyms must be capitalized, and that's part of the product name. Plugin should always contain a hyphen, which doesn't help because hashtags can't. VST plugins are VST plugins. VST effect plugins, VST instrument plugins, etc. They are not VSTs. What? Bulleted lists. Each list should begin with a capitalized first letter. Each list item should be finished with a full stop or semicolon. This will be in first service side. Please use EG and IE, not IE, EG, EG, EXT, etc. Exclamation points are generally unacceptable unless added by KVR. KVR should decide whether the words typed are warranted or not. Product specific rules. Ensure the product hasn't been added already. Product descriptions, formatting, presentations can be a bit more relaxed and freeform than news items can be written in the developer's voice if desired. However, we ask that you exercise restraint in describing your products. Please do explain what it is, what it does, what it's for, and as clearly concise as possible. A paragraph to describe its product followed by a features list, but is by no means a required format. Please do what feels right to you. Hyperbole marketing. Please do not fill phrases award-winning apart from stop word. Generally do so. Please refrain from claiming best, better than. If you feel compelled to use these types of phrases, please qualify them by using something along the lines of herein we believe is the best. So you can clear as KVR is not making the statement. Do not make comparisons with products from other developers. Please do not discuss other developers' products. Please refer to a competitor's product only if they are directly related to the product being presented, because they are designed to work together. We know it's easy to get carried away, but please respect that you are sharing KVR with all the other developers, and you can't claim to have the best of everything. We don't want tit for tat bickering and or derogatory accusations in product descriptions. Okay, so but where's the part where it says you should bold your thing in the first is there this publish draft blog publish, however it doesn't say anything about it's about the product for its item is somewhere sound this about what's a soundware for the product library for. Okay, so it looks like they clarified about and for. Note 5, this is about products. Soundware for, therefore directly related to associate related products. Okay, so everything is for them. Wait, what? About this item is especially about for. It's about soundware, a library contact, or preset for mask. Okay. So everything is what? About. Everything is about. About. Oh, about and for? Cute out here. Okay, about. This is a KVR news item. Require approval once published are no longer editable, although you can still manage tags related, blah, blah. Deals, offers, promos, the deals out end times, deal should, the deal must. Don't spam KVR daily with deals, one item per week, one active deal per company, developer ban. Deals do not go in usual news items, blog items, articles, approval, relevant. So where did I see the bit about highlighting the first thingy? Because they do it if I don't. I've noticed. Not live. Publish. KV. Accessible from the page link. You can even post date publishing. Additional tags when adding new section list formats, super tags. Do not add company names, products, operating systems, plugin formats, duplicate name tags. Okay, so this is pretty much like everything in my tags, that bit. Might as well do that now since I'm here. So these ones aren't like the kind of tags. The ones that are probably everything from here. No, don't drag. From here to... No, okay, so... From here to... here. Did I miss any, I wonder? Oh my god. Did I miss any? It's just this massive list. Electronic drums, is that? Yeah, no, it's there. Alright, so that's the bulk of it, I think. I'll toss it in. Can I say add? Add lookup. There's no list. Can I just do that? Or is it going to see it all as one tag? Yeah, it just sees it. You're going to really put them all in. What does it say? Quick add. Additional tags. Yeah, it's going to make me do them one by one. Oh my god. Okay, so what does it say? New section OS format section super tag. Tags to the tags for this item section. You can just click with an icon. Okay, now it's just being annoying. This is pop up. Okay, will you pop up? It just pops up for a second. That's annoying. Can you just... How do I get it to stay? What are you saying? This? Quick tags. Click to add. Add a tag. It's going to make me do them one by one. Are you kidding me? So let's say Bob. Ooh. Sweet baby Jesus. Why is it gotta be that annoying? I'll just put the hashtags down here. I think is there videos in these things? I've never noticed. I don't think there is, eh? I think there actually is. There's images. So can I just include every video? Okay, so let's look at some other postings. Do they include videos, right? Say update releases. Yeah, I guess. What is that? They have them inline. Yeah, okay, so there is videos. They sit on the bottom kind of thing. So I have no exclusive update video. Bunch of JPEGs. Okay, so I can go like this though, I think. I wonder how they did that. Images? Multi-image, captions, image. And what is this? Link, URL. Place, position, inline. images, steals. Give your image picker. There we go. Okay, so I want this one. How did they do theirs? It says not to the left though, but these ones are all like sitting to the left. So whoever wrote that's got skills. Let's go back. We look for update. Update. This. Update. That. Update. Okay, because these ones have images, right? How did they do that then? What does it say? Just get rid of this. Image should and be positioned to the right of the content, not full size and not full width, not to the left. Width and height should not be set unless you explicitly need the limits to hide the image. If so, padlock. KVR server manages image dimensions to ensure they play nicely on phones and desktops. Okay, so what? How does the image picker? This one? There. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for. And then maybe I'll toss them after, just so it's kind of Synth 1 and Synth 2. Why is it sticking them here though? What about videos? Does anybody have videos? Is there videos allowed? Well, there's videos at the bottom, right? And how many videos? So this one's like right on top. Look at these things. Alright then, so can I have 2 videos on? I gotta get to my YouTube again. Studio. Should put the vertical ones just to mess with them. They'd probably be mad. Get locked out of my account for a day. Okay, so get shareable link. These windows open. Like this, I guess. And then another one. Go get shareable link. And then I still gotta do the YouTube descriptions and tags and everything. And then the social media posting. Oh my god, I think that's it for today. Oh, I mean, it can't all happen at once. I'll do all the social media stuff tomorrow. But, I can push this for an extra day. Okay, so I'm gonna see how this looks. Yeah, no, it looks kind of fine, I guess. This probably shouldn't be up here, though. And then boom, boom, yeah. Double whammy. Double whammy. Was that my logo? Is that what I put? I think it automatically does. Yeah, it automatically does. Okay. So I thought maybe I accidentally, maybe I snuck it in or something. I don't know why I didn't include the videos. Why wouldn't I include the videos? Looks like this guy included the price, huh? Should I include the price? With these new additions to the suite, the price to remove the pop-up is now at $15 CAD. Right. The price increases as more is added. And the effects are next to be released. So I'll put this $15 CAD. What is it? What did he say? Price. I'll put register. Remove pop-up. Let's put the register. Move pop-up. Say price, whatever. Remove pop-up. $15 CAD. These additions to the new suites. $15 CAD is now the price to remove the pop-up. Is now the price to remove the pop-up with these new additions. Price to remove. It's not the price to price. It's not the price to remove the pop-up after these new new additions. The price increases as more is added and effects are next to be released. See the main page? See the main page for planned releases. And then I gotta get to the main page now. So Homage. It's quite the news press release thingy. Just thinking like how I'm supposed to orchestrate all this. What? Oh. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. Who's there? New additions. The price increases as more is added and effects are next. Synth. Which are free to previous users. Remove pop-up. It's not the price to remove the pop-up after these new additions. Effects that's to be released. How do I say this? Updates. Free updates within version 1. The price to remove the pop-up after these new additions. I don't know how to say this. One, two, keyboard, new key features. Yep, that's way for readme. Plus $15 cost, now face to remove options. Increases as more is added. Let's see it first. So I got it in my buffer, I think, right? No. What did I do here? Free updates within version 1, and as the price increases, as more is added. Effects. Effects are next to be released. So let's remove the part of pop-up. Say freemium, whatever. After these new additions, free updates in version 1. These updates are free to previous users, to already registered users. Price increases as more is added, and effects are next to be released. A line of effects are next to be released. These updates are free to already registered users. Okay, let's just look at this, see what that looks like. I don't need these anymore. Still lots to do. Don't I have like this list open? Yeah. Website, installer update, product page update, product videos done, update video. I don't know. That's what I was thinking about. Update, like a video that revolves around the update, right? Maybe once I start doing my own voice and stuff. KVR product description posts, those are done. Oh, that's sweet. Product release update news post, that's what I'm working on. Forum post, gotta do that. Sound Discord. Facebook, personal Facebook reel. Jimmy Meta reel, that's so much stuff, man. What am I thinking about though? I'm thinking about something else. The YouTube, right? YouTube video, YouTube short. So these are kind of like up here for the most part, because they kind of have to be. Alright. And really what's important here? So all this can kind of come before Discord and groups and stuff. But after KVR? Like, how important is KVR? Not really, right? KVR just gets pushed. Well, KVR is the most complicated, so I'll put it before everything else just because it needs, like, it's the most definitive, refined way of doing things. I gotta plan this out. I gotta figure out how to plan things out better. Discord being last. Which should really be last, really, is like TikTok. LinkedIn's kind of up there. X is kind of up there. BandLab is kind of up there. Snapchat's kind of last. I'd say before TikTok, though. Twitch is kind of normal. So, I mean, it's pretty much right here, right? After YouTube, just because it like just sits in my Twitch account. Buffer, Express, these are given. Groups, okay, so groups can kind of be with Facebook, I guess, because that's kind of where they kind of sit together a little bit. Discord, does Discord really last though? I don't know why Buffer and Express are in there. Those are just kind of like this. Yeah, whatever. Well, actually, those can be there as well, just because they like Mastodon and Meta and stuff. Maybe I should just save it for tomorrow and do all my pushing tomorrow. Get a good sleep tonight. And tackle this, because everything's pretty much done, right? And there's no point in sort of, what you call it? I mean, there's this sort of hint at it. I gotta update this page. Okay, so what's left here? Let's look at my promotes. Add a Homage link beacon to website. I gotta do that. Thumbnails for videos and shorts. It's a later thing. Add descriptions to website. That's kind of done, right? Well, actually, it'll come after this. And then I'll say update main KVR page. Homage line page. Homage line page. Update same miscellaneous segments. Miscellaneous websites material reflect new plugins example, change projected list. Add two new releases slides. Okay. I feel like that's good. This has been organized a little more. So Mastodon and Blue Sky and stuff are the last ones. Threads are the last ones to sort of get what's in buffer and stuff. Buffer. I think the buffer is the one and the express is the one with the most. Buffer is just whatever. Let's see what buffer is. So already types in, well, take me to the place. Don't leave me outside of the website. Express. Schedule. Sort of channels are linked here. These are mostly like my personal accounts, my personal professional accounts, my professional individual, because JWP as a company is kind of something. Okay, so it looks like Mastodon I seen there for the second it popped up. Still not quite ready yet, eh? Mastodon, Facebook. I guess Facebook is kind of last, yeah. It's in my list though, so. What else we got? LinkedIn. So there's nothing really out of the list there other than no Pinterest. Pinterest kind of like way on the bottom. I'll put them in here. Express is Pinterest. And buffer is with Mastodon, I guess. Which one has Blue Sky? Neither of them though, eh? Okay, so I'll put that like before, I guess. Blue. Not even sure if I have like a JWP Blue Sky account yet. Yeah, so Threads. Threads is in with buffer. Okay, so I think I'm gonna call it here-ish. That was quite a bit. So most of the writing is done, right? Oh, I gotta update this, but not till tomorrow. These still aren't ready yet. What happens if I click them? Yeah, it's private, okay. View this item. Just publish this for no reason. I gotta iron out the inconsistencies there. It's fine. Not live yet. It's good. What do these do? Do they like pop up? They do. Cool. $15. CAD is another price to remove the pop-up after these new additions. These updates are free to already are included. Already registered users. The price increases as more is added. And line of effects. And a line of effects are next to be released. And a line of effects are next to be released. Are planned to be released. And a line of effects are next to be released. Are planned, are next. And effects are next in line to be released. Let's say effects are next in line to be released. Are next in line to be released. Main page for plan releases. For the plan releases, for plan for the plan releases. Oh, EQs are gonna be brutal. Really want to get that done though, a big deal there. Okay, so I'm gonna call it there. That's a day. That's a day. Let's do some saving all around here. Boom, boom. It looks like everything's saved here. Close that. Anyway, let me see that. Check out my website, jwpsite.com, for my social links, latest news and updates, and public offerings. If you'd like to help support what I do, check out my GoFundMe, JWP Fund, or my PayPal, jwpmas@gmail.com. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever makes you click or appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.